Welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. Now, last week in my Summer in the City junk journal flip through video, at the end, I promised to do a giveaway where I offered a stamp set, stencil, and sticker set that was created by our good friend Delisha of We're Baking and Crafting Meats here on YouTube, which came from her craft line, Bakers and Crafters. Now, the question that I posed was, what was stored on the inside of the front cover of the journal? And most of you had one of the components, one of the elements, but the answer that incorporated all of the features was from Jennifer Reel. This was the first answer that came in that incorporated all of the elements, which was an ephemera holder with window pockets and journaling cards. And so she said it was a cluster and pockets, and it was a lot going on in there. Yes, it definitely was. And so Jennifer Reel, you have 48 hours to send an email with the name that you want it sent under and a mailing address. And so I'll get that out to you this week. I'm going to thank all of you for participating, but most importantly, I want to thank all of you for watching and for commenting and for supporting the channel. All right. And so until we're back here together on YouTube, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative in crafting, and stay tuned for the next giveaway.